How to make Telegram channel without phone number. Hey everybody, in this video, I will show you how to make Telegram channel without phone number. To start, open your Telegram application in your mobile device. Once you're now here, select your country, plus add your country code plus your phone number. Since we don't have this one, close your Telegram application and now open your Google Play Store. Once you are now in Google Play Store, on the search bar, you are going to be searching for SMS Active. In here, download this application called SMS-Activate Virtual Number. Once done downloading, select Open. Then in here, select which application you want to use from. Select Telegram this time. Then in here, you will see different prices for different numbers from every part of the globe. To log in, you will need to become a user of the application. So first enter your email address, then click Continue. Just keep logging in, and then once you have logged in, purchase any of the SIM cards available over here. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Hopefully you got some value in this one. So please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.